We at Educami helped in fulfilling the dreams of 51 UPSC 2020 toppers. If you too have a dream to crack the UPSC examination, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay up to date with your UPSC preparation. क्योंकि तैयारी आपकी जिम्मेदारी हमारी.
Hello everyone, welcome to Educami's YouTube page. Myself Karuna Mishra, and today we are having a very important discussion, which is how to prepare for UPSC as well as state PSC exams together. I think this is one question which crosses every aspirant's mind. So today we'll try to understand what are the possible and best ways to prepare for both and get a result out of it. We give out videos on preparation of multiple competitive exam, especially UPSC, and we give a lot of subject related content as well on our YouTube page. So you can click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon in order to receive such videos on time. Now coming to the question right now is how to prepare for UPSC and state PSC exams together. I think more important is why to prepare. A student who prepares for UPSC actually has the aim at this particular exam, but there is no harm in having a plan B. In fact, having a plan B will actually give you more surety, more security in your mind. You would know that nearly 1/3 of the officers which are right now running the country come from the state services, and 2/3 are actually taken from the UPSC, and these 1/3 are coming from the different types of state services and are promoting officers who have reached the rank of IAS officers within the service of 10 to 12 years. There are very lucrative working conditions and good job profiles in many states which provide the State Service Commission exam. So, but the problem is there are few mistakes which candidates do and a few must-haves that they miss while they prepare for these exam. So, these are the different exams which you see throughout the year. They have given out their yearly calendar. For example, Madhya Pradesh State Service Exam, MPPSC has given out the academic calendar. UPPSC has given out the academic calendar. Haryana PSC also conducted the exam. Rajasthan PSC also conducted the exam this year. Bihar PCS has also become fairly regular with taking the exams. So when I have an exam calendar, I have to plan my year accordingly. This is something that is a must while you're preparing for exam. So these are few things that you can keep in mind. First is make a yearly calendar, make a yearly timetable. You have to find time for these exams. And for that, the most important thing you can do is not target too many, but target few exams. For example, your home state. Why home state? Because when you're reading about the history of the geography of the culture of that state, or let's say an adjoining state, it will be easier for you to gather as well as remember these things. Second thing that you can do is find the common areas in the syllabus. Now, first one, you have made the yearly timetable. Always keep the UPSC preparation as your prime focus, and then go on for preparing the other exams simultaneously. Now, when I say find the common areas in the syllabus, common with the UPSC syllabus. For example, general studies is common. Many state exams do not have, almost all state exams have removed optional from their mains. But the general studies areas is common. But there are few state exams which do not have ethics paper. So you have to find the common areas and try to make the most of your UPSC preparation. The one thing that you have to do is, for example, you're reading history for UPSC, you have to make the state-centric notes of history of the state. If you're reading geography of UPSC, you have to make state-centric notes for the geography. When you're reading economy, let's say you're reading the budget of India, you have to read the budget of that state as well. So this is something that you have to do when you're preparing for state service exam. If you will give this exam half-heartedly, state exams are also very competitive because a lot of students or a lot of candidates from different professions also are competing for the state exam, and you have to be well prepared to even attempt it. So this is something that you have to do, find the common areas and then make state-centric notes separately. How do you find good quality notes or good quality content? Find government schemes and initiative from the ministry websites. Go directly to the ministries. For example, if you want to know about the budget of, let's say, state of Uttar Pradesh, go to the finance ministry of Uttar Pradesh, the website, and there you will find the pointers. Apart from that, even Educami provides test series as well as content for state service such as Odisha PCS, for UP PCS, for Rajasthan PCS. So the reason why we have started these test series is to give you timely preparation. There is no point doing answer writing practice in the last 15-20 days of the exam. You will not be able to crack the exam. These exams need practice. So you can prepare for Educami as well. There are certain don'ts that you have to keep in mind. More than what you have to do, you have to keep in mind what you cannot do or what you cannot afford to do is target too many exams. Because when you target too many exams, you fall in the trap of giving an exam every 2 months. You don't have the time to prepare for the exams, and you are literally giving one exam after the other within the span of 1 month or 2 months, and you're not qualifying any of them, or you're not able to get through all the 3 stages. So just target few exams, give a wholehearted attempt, and avoid non-serious attempts. Do not just write an exam for the sake of writing, because it will it'll take energy to go to that place, to stay there, to write the exam, come back, and since it is a non-serious attempt, your chances of clearing will be very, very low. So you have to be very focused when it comes to state services exam. And if you are a UPSC candidate, clearing state exams becomes very easy because there is a lot of commonality in the syllabus. Even if you see the record, majority of the toppers in the state exams are actually the candidates who were preparing for UPSC. So I think you should ponder upon the possibility of preparing for state exams as well. There are very lucrative profiles in the state services, and we here at Educami also provide you support for multiple state exams, and you can click on the link below to check out what are the offerings or what are the products that are being provided by Educami. So we'll be coming up with more such videos. Till then, subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so that you can receive such videos. Thank you so much.